was pretty good. You now belong to the choir. What's happening now? Yeah. So stand kind of close together because then you feel like you're, yeah. When we sway, you can kind of get pushed in the right direction. Sopranos, make sure that you just let it soar. Nobody's going to tell you, shut up, baby. Just sing. And altos, make it warm and fuzzy and beautiful and lovely. And tenors, I love you to stay off the soprano note. And basses and baritones, give us a good bottom. We love a good rumble.